Hi guys, so we're back with another third-person action game tutorial. Well, if you can call it that. And today we're gonna be adding the animations. The other day, if you remember, the other day we downloaded the animations from XAML, and today we're gonna be adding them to our character. So. So, first we're gonna create, in the character, we're gonna create an animator. YAML. We're gonna call it YAML, we're gonna open it, and okay, we've got nothing. Alright. The animations, there's a bunch of them, so we're gonna start with one of the idols, I think. Okay, for the model preview we can try to use, I think this one. I don't think we can. Okay, maybe now. Yeah. No, not this one. Oh, so this is not humanoid. Let's apply. Let's see. Well, this looks better. I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know. Doesn't look to be doing anything. Let's see if I do. Look at the hand. Possibly Jamo is not rigged as a humanoid. It's rigged as a humanoid. Yeah, whatever. So in the scene we see this and it should be okay. I think this should be alright. We'll have toes, that's okay. I think. Toe base, toe end. Well, with the left foot we can use this one as the toes, and with the right foot we can do this one as the toes maybe. Okay, let's apply. Character not in T-pose, why not? It does look like that. Okay, yeah, that's fair enough. Though I think it moves nice, it looks nice. It won't let me move this around. Yeah. Okay. Let's apply these now. If I'm using one of these animations, I should be able to use it. Say this one animation. No, it doesn't seem to be working. Damn it. So I'm back. I was having I wasn't getting exactly why it wasn't working, so I downloaded a new an animation, a default animation with a rig, with the full thing, so it actually yeah, auto. So this comes with a with its own model, and yeah, I decided to use that one as an example to see what was happening, and I found out that the problem is that it wasn't using the right avatar. So since I don't think you can, oh, maybe you can select a bunch of them. Say, okay, I want a humanoid, I want copy from other avatar, and I want to say that all of you are gonna use this one. And we select this avatar and apply. Now, I believe that now that I got these, when you go to animation, you can actually tell, okay, other, and Yamo, this one, yeah, why not? And oops, is it working? 4 bones, avatar, humanoid. Is it working? It was working before. Why is it not working now? Maybe we can use other. This one. Oh yeah, that's alright. So maybe if we use the actual. The problem is that I was using the wrong one. So we use Yamo here. Yeah, it works. Yeah. Yeah, obviously it kind of works weird because it goes through the head, but yeah, that's what happens with this kind of character. So yeah, good. We can use the idle. This is the normal idle. This could be a second idle, third idle, etc. Okay, so we're gonna start using this one. We're gonna set it here. Oh yeah, we could probably change the name of the animations. Call it idle 1. Apply. We're gonna call it idle 1, and yeah. Then we're gonna be using the walk. We have 2 walks. This is walk backwards, and so we're gonna call it like that. Walk back, and this is gonna be walk forward, right? Yeah. Walk forward. Apply. So we're only gonna set this for the moment, okay? And we're gonna be coming here. We're gonna add a an animator. We are going to set the animator to this one, and the avatar hopefully to Yamo's avatar. So here. And yeah, there we go. Now we have a an idle animation. Great, good. We're not walking yet, but it's good. Great. Actually, let me do something here. It's just kind of weird that you accelerate so much. So let's use the 120. Let's see if this works a little bit. I'm still seeing some bumps, and I probably need to work a little bit more on that part. But anyway, that's okay for now. Let's work on the animation. So for what we want to do is so that when it moves, it goes, if it's going slow it walks, and if it's going fast it runs, and if it's going backwards it walks backward or runs backwards. So we're gonna create a new blend tree, because that's exactly what we want to do. And well, we're gonna start with a simple blend tree. We're gonna start with a blend tree only for one dimension, and later we'll add two. So we add we add a new motion field. We set idle. Damn it. Idle. Yeah, that's better. We add another motion, which is gonna be walk forward, and there's gonna be another one which we are gonna set to walk backwards. Thing is, we don't want these thresholds. We don't want it to be 0, 0.5 and 1. Actually, we want to automate it. We want them to be walk forward to be, say, 2 or even 1, and walk backwards to be -1. Yeah. So if if you're going moving backwards, you move like this, and yeah, you see it merges the two animations. It merges the current animation with the next one. You see how much? So a lot of the idle animation, a little bit of the forward animation, and you see it kind of like does give us small steps, but if we go, then it moves normally forward, and if we go backwards it's the same. Good. So that's good. We have a simple blend tree. Let's use it as our default state. We're gonna call it movement blend tree. Okay. So the thing is, since we are not setting that input, it's never gonna change. That input here has got a name which is called blend. We're gonna change this name to speed Z because it's the speed forward. Okay. Speed Z. And we are gonna have to set it in the code. So this code is starting to be a bit big, so let's make it smaller. Private void update rotation. dt updates the rotation of the character. It's going to be the same for update movement. Velocity and position of the character based on current inputs. And we're just going to be doing this. So this is the rotation. This is the movement. press the input, so there. Okay, so and we have to update the animation too. We don't need to do all the time here. We're gonna base it on the current velocity. So, actually something that is interesting is this forward and right. They are interesting for me, and we're gonna be using it in several places. So we got the vector 3 forward, vector 3 right. By default, let's give them sensible values. And here we're gonna just set forward and right, which yeah. So when we update the animation, speed x is gonna be well, vector 3 dot. So we do a dot product of the current velocity times right, or over right, more like it, and instead it's over forward. And so to set the values to the animator, we need the animator. So the same way we have a character controller, we need an animator that we're gonna get here. And one of the things we could do here is that if we don't have an animator, this node, we can quit early. We set a float called speed z and set it to speed z, speed z. Yeah, speed z here. So just with these, oh yeah, oh. The walk animation must loop. The walk backwards animation must loop, and the idle animation, actually all of them, well, I cannot do that to all of them, they all have to loop. So let's see. Yeah. So you can see it on the scene here. It is a little bit of doing a little bit of walking. And there are ways to prevent this, but we're not gonna go in depth in that now. So yeah, I think that is the yeah, that's the thing. You can do it like that, and then it moves from the center of mass, but we don't want to do it now. Yep. So anyway, yeah, we could use this to move exactly how much it moves. Anyway, we're not gonna be using this. We're gonna be using also the running, which this is the run forward. And this is gonna be the run backwards. Yeah. So let's add a little bit more here in the animator. Let's add more information. So how about we do add a new one, and this is gonna be the run forward animation, and we add another one, put it to -2, and it's gonna be the run backwards animation. And actually we're gonna put this to -1.5, and this is gonna be -3, or -4, and this is gonna be a 1.5, and this is gonna be a 4. So that way, if we play, we see that when we start walking, we walk like that, but then we move forward faster and faster, and same going backwards. Probably this should be -3 or something. Yeah. So let's see how it looks. It doesn't seem to be working very well because the maximum speed is only 3. Maybe we could change it a little bit so they can reach maximum speed of 4. Oh, again, this has to loop. And this one has to loop too. Yeah. It looks a lot better, although the animation is a bit turned sideways. But anyway, not gonna bother about it right now. So that's cool, that's great. But we're doing a strafing left and right, and the character is not moving left and right, and that's not nice, because we do have some strafe animations, don't we? This is the strafe left. Let's see this one. This is a strafe right. Strafe right and loop. This one is a strafe left run. And loop. and this one is strafe right run, yeah, and loop, apply. So we go back to our animator, and in here it says blend type, and it says 1D. But we have two dimensions, don't we? We have the speed forward and the speed sideways. So we wanted 2D freeform directional, I think. Yeah. So there is now we have a second blend variable, and we want to oops, they are all the same. So the post one, this is gonna be run back -3 -1.5 0 0 0 1.5 4. Okay, so basically this looks like this, and yeah, so now it doesn't go from -1 to 1, it can go further than that. I don't know why it's... on the second one, we have to add a new... So I want this to be called speed X. Not sure... speed X plus float speed X, that's it. And now we want the blend tree to be speed X here, speed C here. Yeah. So that's better. Yeah. And now for the X dimension, we want to have the same thing. So we want to use to add a new one, which is going to be add motion field, and we're going to put strafe, this one, strafe left, and it's going to be just -1.5 0. Then we're going to do another one, it's going to be 1.5, and it's going to be a strafe right. And then we're going to add this one at -3, strafe left run, and this one at 3, it is going to be a strafe right run. So now depending on where we are, we use it doesn't blend very well, to be honest. These animations don't blend particularly well. Still, we're gonna use this. Probably with animations thought to be blending like this, it would work better because you can make them move the legs at the same speed, and that helps a lot when you're blending these sort of animations. So yeah, we are setting the speed Z, but we're not setting speed X. So you can see it sort of works. It's hard sometimes to gauge the speed, but you can see that it is moving. I think this could move even faster than that. Okay, it has something like that. Probably we should set different speeds when moving back sideways and when moving moving forward. Anyway, this looks good. We have done. I think we're gonna wrap it up here. So we have imported animations from Mixamo. We have mixed them with our custom character. To do that, we have used. We have had to download a default animation with a full rig and everything. We have used this rig for all the animations that we had here, because they didn't come with a model and somehow it wasn't working very well. So we used this rig that we did here, and we applied all those animations to our Jamo character. To that, we added an animator component here, and we configured with the animation controller that we are configuring here, and the animator avatar, and the character avatar, which is part of our model here. This animator is basically the state machine that defines what animation to play at any given time, and we have used a blend tree. With first we did a one-dimensional blend tree, and now we're using a two-dimensional blend tree. It's I think it's cool. I think we are in a good position, and next day we'll start doing all the stuff, like adding a we will add the sword, and we'll add more animations, like attacking animations and stuff like that. And yeah, I hope this has been helpful. I'm sorry if I've been a bit not too clear, because I was a bit rusty with all this, but hopefully by the end it all made sense. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.